Hi, good morning everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a hot minute once again. Okay, so today I wanted to do something a little different than usual. Although it's around 75 degrees, I want to do a little fall day where I just treat myself and do like really fun fall things. Actually, wrote a list. Where's my phone at? It's on Pinterest for a list of things. Actually, I just happened to stumble upon it and I was like, that's a perfect video. Found this checklist right here. Some of the things are like go apple picking and get lost in a corn maze and like drink hot apple cider, which I can't do any of those, but I figured I could take some inspiration from this list and make up some of my own. Also, there's like an autumn self-care thing too, so I kind of combined some things. Figured today would be the perfect day to film because we're currently about to have a hurricane tomorrow, so today is very like rainy and overcast, the calm before the storm. Anyway, so this is my official let's pretend it feels like fall and it is fall video. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me today with everything that I'm doing fall wise. First up, we've got the fall fit. I've just got on this flannel, oversized flannel, and I got it from Walmart. It was actually super cheap and it was in the men's section. Then I just got a black tank top on and black leggings, very casual and super simple because I'm not leaving the house. I was gonna go all out for you guys and I was gonna like get in an actual outfit. So I have this like Watch Me Grow shirt from Kristen made and these really cute fall shorts from Old Navy. And I was gonna put this on and it was gonna be very fall chic, but sometimes you just are bloated and you need to have that comfort feeling, and that's one of those days today. So I'm listening to my body and I put on something tight but something oversized over it, so it's the best of both worlds. I also got sent from Influencer Collective. It's so cute and has so many goodies in there. I've got tons of these Mighty patches, really the best ever. I've used them so many times. I haven't tried like the different kinds. I've just gotten the regular ones, which I think, yeah, the original. But I got micropoint for blemishes, invisible ones to wear with makeup, and then for dark spots and like a recovery cream. Smart water, 2 different face masks. And then I think somewhere under here is like, they sent me Beauty Blender, actually came out with a foundation. Let's see. Oh, here they are. All the shades of them. So that's super awesome. I also got this Indian chana masala. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but looks pretty yummy, so I'm gonna have that for lunch. And then just some chapsticks, so super cool. The whole point of this is that I have to take some pictures and try everything out today for Instagram, so I'm also gonna be doing that. I probably won't show it on the vlog, but I do have to do that today as well. So that's like another fall experience for today. Next on my fall cozy to-do list, we're going to make some soup. Broccoli and cheddar soup to be exact. However, we're going to be making a vegan broccoli and cheddar soup. Broccoli, nutritional yeast is going to be the cheese, and then almond milk. And I know there are more ingredients, but I have to go look on Pinterest real quick. I've had this saved forever. So this is the recipe that I'm making. It's Whole30, gluten-free, and paleo. I'm trying to eat gluten-free and dairy-free and low carb. I'm not sure about the carb in this, but... Okay, so apparently I am all out of my sorts today because you do not need to use a crock pot. I'm actually just gonna use a pan on, or like a, you know what I'm talking about, you know. I'm gonna use whatever on the stove. I did not know, I thought it was crock pot, and that's kind of sad because I like crock pot recipes, but, and you're supposed to soak the cashews overnight or in boiling water for an hour. I also need vegetable broth. So these are our ingredients. I'm gonna add some seasonings, perhaps some minced garlic as well. Paula, are you okay? Also, I'm not trying to stay on the broccoli and cheese soup for this long, but I wanted to tell you guys that I make like a cashew sauce pasta, which I actually made last night, and I don't soak it in boiling water. I just soak it in regular water for like 2-3 hours. So that's what I'm gonna do because now that it's not in a crock pot, it doesn't need to be done like this early. So I'm just gonna soak these in just regular water and then we'll come back to it in like 2 hours. Guys, low-key, I know this is not part of the fall vlog situation, but this chana masala that I showed you guys, yeah, things aren't going well. So delicious. Like I was laughing because I was like, there's no way I'm gonna like this, but I can't even describe to you how good it is, especially with the brown rice. It's just so good. So I'm gonna finish that up, but it's yummy. Okay, so it has been a few hours. It is actually 2:40 right now. The cashews are definitely done. Real quick, I want to show you guys this Instagram called Curating the Change. All kinds of information on voting, like last minute registration, like last minute, like early voting, all that stuff. I know this is probably going up after election, but I actually won a giveaway with them for like sharing about it, and I got a crew neck that has a woman on it and it says vote. Super freaking cute. I just got it in the mail like 2 minutes ago, so I decided to put it on. Also got some stickers included, which is really nice. I also won a different giveaway with them. I won like a $5 gift card to Starbucks. That was freaking awesome too, and all for just sharing things that I normally would share anyway. I will leave the link to this recipe down below if anybody wants to try it. Whole30, paleo, dairy-free, vegan, all that stuff. So if you're interested, I'll leave the recipe link down below, and also let you guys know obviously if I like it or not. But yeah, let's get cooking. After I poured the cashew sauce in here, you had to like let it simmer for a few more minutes so that it could thicken up, and it's definitely thick now. The camera makes it look white, but I promise you it's yellow, like you guys see, but it looks freaking amazing. I must admit though, the smell doesn't smell that great, so I'm a little worried. Every time I eat soup, I have to have like crackers to dip into the soup. Got these almond flour crackers. Comment down below if you guys have something gluten-free that is your favorite, because I'm looking for replacements in all aspects of food: bread, pasta, all the above. Leave your comments down below if you eat gluten-free or like something that's gluten-free, because I need recommendations. The camera is bouncing on the smart water bottle. I'm very worried. Let's give this a shot. Hold the freaking phone. This is superb, you guys. Look how beautiful she is. The smell threw me off at first, but literally this tastes so good. So easy. Did you see that? There was like maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes tops, and now I have a whole soup. It's good with the crackers, but for the first time ever, I actually prefer to use a spoon. Ladies and gents, I highly recommend that. Once again, the link will be down below. It's literally, besides the nutritional yeast, which is like a weird thing to have in your pantry, I guess, if you're not vegan, or besides that, it's like simple things that you might already have at home, like cashews, olive oil, broccoli, almond milk, but you can also use milk if you don't want to do the dairy-free. Yeah, so making my cozy fall soup, thumbs up for that. Now I'm going to clean up this disaster of a time behind me. Move on to our next cozy vibes. Next up on the list is watching a little fall movie and getting really cozy. So I just posted an Instagram asking which movie I should watch. The options are Hocus Pocus, Practical Magic, and Halloween Town. I haven't seen any of these, so any one of them that wins will be just fine. I don't really ever watch any movies. Oh, it's spoopy. So I thought, what better thing to do than to lay on this lovely couch with my little pup, my little bean, and watch a little Halloween movie. I set the mood, light some candles, put on some cozy little Halloween socks while people vote, hopefully. Sometimes it's hit or miss. Usually people don't even see my stories, like not that many people see them, and if they do, they don't vote, which is fine, but I thought it would be cool to not make a decision, so I wanted to see what you guys think, and also I wanted to know which one of those three is y'all's favorite. Comment down below your favorite Halloween movie, or not even Halloween, just fall. Right now we're cozy, but we're not fall cozy. Fall cozy means I'm just switching my socks for Halloween ones, but decided to make some coffee because I was craving something sweet and also just wanted something like warm and hot, so I thought best of both worlds. So the amount of times I say fall vibes in this video, I'm so sorry. I haven't checked my phone at all because I didn't want to spoil anything. I'm actually gonna do that right now, and we're gonna see what people have said, if anyone has said anything. And if it's just one vote, like I'm going off of that one vote because I genuinely could care less which one I choose. Listen to the Pretty Basic podcast, and one of the things Alicia mentioned was to turn off your notifications for Instagram, like all of them. Did that, and it's so freeing. Nothing is that important to me that I need to know right away. If I'm posting a picture, like trying to engage, I'll already be on the app anyway, if you get what I'm saying. Yay! Oh my god, that's so nice. Okay, 6 people answered, which is freaking incredible. Like in 16 minutes, 6 people answered. That's so like awesome. I never get anything like that. 5 people said Hocus Pocus and 1 said Halloween Town. Let me show you. Clearly, Hocus Pocus is a hot commodity. It looks like we will be watching some Hocus Pocus while drinking our little pumpkin spice. It's literally just dark in here, and now it got sunny all of a sudden, and I'm pissed because I want it to be dark and gloomy for this. Anyway, let's get to watching the movie. Update, I just finished Hocus Pocus. So freaking cute and so iconic. A lot of people are saying to watch Practical Magic next, so I'm probably gonna do that tomorrow. Not for this video. Fall maybe done. You like fall, Paul?